You know what, folks? That's why I say thank you, Teacher May Tiburcio, for being yourself anti-Marcos. Welcome to the club. Oh, like I said to you, I never want to criticize you. I don't want to insult you. Welcome to our club. At least Teacher May will join in. What's that? Um, United People's Initiative to protest against Marcoses just because of flood control Ghost Project. Just remember, I think Teacher May Tiburcio was right. You should not bash Aquino family. For those idiot Marcos loyalists, among them is Sangkay Janjan, Nino Barsaga, um, Ate Mel Canete, Ate Dina Guillermo, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jim Macasandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez. All of you should stop harassing the Duterte supporters or Duterte family, even the Aquino supporters, even the Aquino family. What about Josh Aquino? What about Kitty Duterte? Kitty Duterte is normal. Josh Aquino is autism. He's special needs. As we are saying, just like Teacher Evelyn said, Teacher Evelyn Caja criticized against Sangkay Janjan and Nino Barsaga. When you say a bad words, what do you say the bad words of Nino Barsaga? In Tagalog word, putang ina, that's a bad word. But this time, I just want to say to all of those idiot Marcos loyalists, they should stop fighting. They should stop bullying in social media. Like I was told by Kuya Bear, it is not right thing to bully anybody or anyone. Oh, it is not right thing. Just like I said, me, I'm also a bully too since I was in CDIFI. At the time, I was a bully too. When I become a bully, I do realize I bully Teacher Kel, I bully Teacher Gio Malana, I bully Teacher Vincent Ramos. This is my fault. Oh, my consequences there, it's my fault too. Oh, just like I said, when I told by Nikki Miranda and Wawel Romero, as I'm a born again Christian, as a Judaism in Abrahamic, um, I'm a Jewish too. I'm a Jewish born again Christian. But I never make enemies like that. I respect Aquino family. Oh, do you know about Cory Aquino, the grandmother of Josh Aquino, who is autism? She recognized Palestine as Philippines recognized Palestine. And during the time of Cory Aquino administration. Oh, you remember that? During the time of Cory, um, she she arrested all the Marcos cronies. Among them is Danding Kowangko. Oh, because I know Cory, she is a strong woman. Just like I said. Just remember, folks, do not idolize the Marcoses. Marcoses are very normal. They have no son who's autism, who was special child. There's no autism. The Marcos family, even Bongbong Marcos, he disrespect autism. Like me, I remember Rodrigo Duterte, I remember Noynoy Aquino. They have respect the autism. Noynoy Aquino has a nephew, Josh. Oh, he is also autism. Like the time when I was told by Luis Cabales, oh, he respected Aquino family. Oh, me, like I say to Bomber Nando, wag mo awayin ng mga Aquino family. Just like I say to him, do not argue with the Aquino family. Just respect the Aquino. You know the time when I realized about the EDSA People Power Revolution when I teach that from Teacher Joy? Oh, Teacher Joy says, sabi ni Teacher Joy, oh, Aquino family are 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 friendly to the Filipinos. Even the Duterte family are friendly to the Filipinos. Oh, friendly. Just like I said, I told to Teacher May at the time, oh, when I heard that from, I was there in CDIFI, oh, um, I remember what she said that Josh Aquino was compared to Nicolas Sabino. It was compared. Oh, guys, to all Marcos loyalists, Teacher May was right. Respect Aquino family. Tama po sinabi niya, like I said. We have to respect the Aquino family. All of you. Even Sangkay Janjan, Nino Barsaga, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo. All of you should respect. Even Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, even Ate Dina Guillermo, Ate Melcanete, who were Marcos loyalists. All of you should accepted it. The impeachment of Bongbong Marcos. At least look at Teacher May Tiburcio. She left the Marcos loyalist. Ay ayaw niya mapahamak. Like I said, she joined with the Duterte supporters. She joined with the Aquino supporters. She joined the United People's Initiative. And she talks to Kiko Barsaga. Oh, does she said? Oh, ayoko na sa mga Marcos. Teacher May says, naawa ako kay Josh Aquino, yung anak po ni Chris Aquino. Oh, you know, this is what Teacher May says. Like all of you, those idiot Marcos loyalist bloggers, Sangkay Janjan, Nino Barsaga, Romeo TV Blog, even Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jim Acasandil, and Ate Melcanete, and Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan. All of you are manipulative. Kayo ang mga manipulador. Oh. For me, I apologize to Teacher May Tiburcio. I put you in the enemy list. Oh. She realized that she is anti-Marcos. Oh. Guys, everyone are anti-Marcos too. Like Teacher May Tiburcio and Adam Juari says, all those people are anti-Marcos. Like, here's the lesson to you, Mommy Ellen Olea. Mommy Ellen Olea, if you're watching my YouTube video, in my YouTube blog, you need to respect the Aquino family. You need to respect. Mommy Ellen Olea, when I was in Batangas, you gave me a cookies. I just want to say thank you to you. I say to Mommy Ellen Olea, you have to respect the Aquino family. Even I told to Nanay Net, oh, we have to respect Ninoy and Cory Aquino. Oh, we have to respect them because they have a son whose autism is Josh. Oh, that was a son of Chris Aquino. We have to respect. Oh, like I said, we have to respect them. You know me, I'm a pro Duterte. I am a pro Aquino. I am not a pro Marcos anymore. Look at Kuya Rodelio. Oh, pro Aquino. He's a pro Duterte. Look at Ronan Cayabyab. Pro Aquino, pro Duterte. Look at Mark Pacione. Oh, pro Aquino, pro Duterte. Who among pro Aquino and pro Duterte? Oh, um, um, Who among them? Denzel Joshua, pro Aquino, pro Duterte. Roydan Marlang, pro Aquino and pro Duterte. And um, let's say about Cedric Mariano, pro Aquino and pro Duterte. Nobody to bash the Aquino and Duterte. Do not bash Kitty Duterte. Do not bash Josh Aquino. Do not bash Baste Duterte. Do not bash Bimbi. Do not bash them. Do you know Bimbi Aquino Yap? That was son of James Yap and Chris Aquino and the half brother of Josh Aquino. Oh, we have to respect. Like Nanay Ningning, Anna Kirchenberg. She is a Filipino-German. Oh, she is pro Aquino and pro Duterte. She realized that Rodrigo Duterte's daughter is Sara Duterte, is also um, um, Filipino-German, like Elizabeth Zimmerman. And let's say about um, Chris Aquino's son, Josh Aquino, who is autism, who has who has a special needs, and he is really autism. You know, Sangkay Janjan, Nino Barsaga, Paulo Cruzada, and Gina Sejo, all of you are making foolishness. All of you are saying bastos ang mga Aquino. Hindi po silang bastos. Even the Duterte family, they are not rude. Di sila bastos. The Marcoses are very rude. Sila ang mga bastos, like I said. When I described that from J. Rick Silva, you know me, I'm a pro Aquino and I'm a pro Duterte. I respect the time. You know, when we were in closing program in CDIFI, we sing Magkaisa, and Teacher May was there also, and then we sing what's that Magkaisa. When we sing the song of Magkaisa, when I was there in the Teacher Joyce class, um, I sing Magkaisa. I'm showing the Filipinos what truly color was. When we sing Magkaisa, like Vernalisa was composed by Tito Soto. When Ate Pura said it, Tito Soto was composed of Vernalisa, Magkaisa. Oh, when I realized Magkaisa, I sing that Magkaisa. That was EDSA People Power Revolution in 1986. And I realized, like Ian Martinez said, so Cory, oh, even even what he said. We still remember the time of Cory Aquino. Like those two, like those imbeciles who were Marcos loyalists, who were bashing Chris Aquino and and Bimby and Josh. They were children, and you know Josh Aquino who's a special needs. Do not bash Josh Aquino. You see that Cory Aquino is the Hugo Chavez of the Philippines. She is the mother of the democracy. When her husband, Ninoy, had been assassinated by Ferdinand Marcos Sr. And you see what really happened. Cory become the mother of the Filipino people of democracy. Oh, mother. She became a mother. And she says that Cory, she wasn't involved with the Menjola massacre. Oh, she is not. Larry Gadon, that imbecile lawyer or this bar lawyer, he says about Cory, Cory Aquino was involved of Benjola massacre. And that was the false. The Benjola massacre was involved there is the soldiers of the Marcos loyalists who were the defector from armed forces of the Philippines. It wasn't Gringo Honasan. It wasn't Fidel B. Ramos. It wasn't Cory Aquino. Oh, and it was the involved of this in Medjola massacre is the defector of Ferdinand Marcos Sr., who were armed forces of the Philippines. Remember that. And it was involved there. The acting president of the Philippines is Arturo Tolentino, who's involved of this massacre of of Menjola massacre. And it wasn't Cory. Like I said, me at the time, I still remember the past of Noynoy Aquino. I still remember the past of um, Rodrigo Duterte. They built the Skyway Stage 3. When I came back from Japan in Osaka, when we were being fetched by a Grab driver, when we go to condo in Stellar Place after we came back from Japan last 2024, last 2 years. When I was realized the Skyway Stage 3, that was a project of Noynoy Aquino and Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, that's a project. It's not project of Bongbong Marcos. Let's say Bacana Bridge. Oh, that's a project of Rodrigo Duterte. Skyway Stage 3, that's a project of Noynoy Aquino and and Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, that's their project. Oh, Luis Cabales loves Noynoy. Me, I love Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, because we are anti-Marcos. What about both of you? Sangkay Janjan, Nino Barsaga, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Sejo, Jima Cazandil, and also Paulo Cruzada and Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan and Ate Mel Canete and Ate Dina Guillermo. All of you are dumb as kayo ang mga gago. Oh, like I said, remember that. Me, I never want to criticize Aquino. I always ties with Aquino because I know when Adam Juari visited in the Time Street in Noynoy's house, he sees the interior. Oh, that was renovated by Chris Aquino and Noynoy Aquino. And she was there. He was there also. He was there at the time. He was right there, and he met Josh Aquino. Oh, he met Josh Aquino. He still remembered Josh Aquino. Just remember, everyone hates Marcoses. Just like I said, I will be like Kiko Barsaga into this. Oh, Teacher May Tiburcio become anti-Marcos. She said it. Oh, I am anti-Marcos right now. Oh, naaawa ako kay Chris Aquino, yung anak niya may autism. Oh, it's really hurt to anybody. Oh, just like I heard that from the lesson from Teacher May about social media etiquette. Oh, um, do not be such a bully. Those Marcos loyalists, even Sangkay Janjan, Nino Bersaga, Paulo Cruzada, uh, um, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Sejo, Jima Casandil, Teacher Alexander Paganawan, Ate Dina Guillermo, Ate Milcanete. Please, all of you, don't be such a bully. Oh, all of you. You remember the teacher May said what she said before, that she became an anti-Marcos, that she listened to Rafael, her nephew, Rafael Tiburcio said, oh, when teacher May said, oh, I don't want to be a Marcos loyalist, maaawa ako kay Josh Aquino, oh, that was the son of Chris Aquino, anak pala ni Chris, oh, she was realized that she will never bash anybody, and teacher May become neutral. Oh, and she became non-partisan. And what she said before, teacher May said, I left the Marcos loyalist and I joined to the the pro Aquino and pro Duterte supporters. It's simple. Like I said,